Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the updated steps on how to lock your Telegram app for added security. To begin, launch the Telegram app on your device. Tap on the three lines located in the top left corner of the screen, then select Settings. Scroll down within the Settings menu and tap on Privacy and Security. Locate and select Passcode Lock from the options provided. Toggle on the option to enable the Passcode Lock feature for your Telegram app. Enter a 4-digit passcode of your choice and then re-enter it to confirm and set up the passcode lock. Optionally, if your device is equipped with a fingerprint sensor, you can enable Unlock with Fingerprint for quicker access to your Telegram app. By following these steps, you can effectively lock your Telegram app using the updated method, ensuring that your chats and conversations remain secure and private. This added security feature enhances your Telegram experience and protects your data. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you enhance the security of your Telegram app.